how to stop autoplay on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily stop the autoplay feature on your Instagram. Let's dive right in. Open up your Instagram and then go to your profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right. This will access your settings. Then scroll down and then under your app and media, tap on media quality and then toggle on use less cellular data. So once you toggle it on, it will enable the data saver mode and help you to stop the autoplay function. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.